The question of whether artificial intelligence will replace humans in the United States is one of the most debated topics of our time, and the answer is more nuanced than a simple yes or no. AI is already transforming industries across America, from healthcare and finance to transportation, retail, and entertainment, by automating repetitive tasks, improving efficiency, and enabling data-driven decision-making at a scale never seen before. In manufacturing, robots and AI-powered systems have taken over assembly line work that once required large numbers of human workers, while in offices, algorithms can now handle tasks like scheduling, customer service chat, and even basic legal or financial analysis. However, while AI is replacing certain types of jobs, particularly those that are routine, predictable, and rule-based, it is also creating new opportunities that require human creativity, emotional intelligence, and complex problem-solving skills. For example, the rise of AI has increased demand for roles such as data scientists, machine learning engineers, AI ethicists, and cybersecurity specialists, which did not exist at the same scale a decade ago. Moreover, many jobs are not being entirely replaced but are instead being reshaped, where humans work alongside AI systems to enhance productivity rather than compete with them directly. In healthcare, AI can analyze medical images faster than doctors, but physicians are still essential for interpreting results, making decisions, and providing patient care with empathy and understanding. Similarly, in education, AI tools can personalize learning experiences, but teachers remain critical for mentoring, motivation, and social development. One of the key concerns in the United States is the impact of AI on employment and income inequality, as workers in lower-skilled positions may face greater risk of job displacement compared to those in highly skilled professions. This raises important questions about how society should respond, including the need for reskilling and upskilling programs to help workers transition into new roles, as well as potential policy solutions such as stronger social safety nets or even discussions around universal basic income. At the same time, AI is also driving economic growth by increasing productivity and enabling innovation, which can lead to the creation of entirely new industries and markets. For instance, the development of autonomous vehicles is not only changing the future of transportation but also creating jobs in software development, infrastructure, and regulation. Another important factor is that AI still has significant limitations, as it lacks true human understanding, consciousness, and the ability to think creatively in the same way people do. While AI can process vast amounts of data and identify patterns, it often struggles with context, ethics, and unpredictable real-world situations, which means human oversight remains essential. In addition, trust plays a major role in many professions, such as law, counseling, and leadership, where human judgment and relationships cannot easily be replaced by machines. Cultural and social factors in the United States also influence how AI is adopted, as public opinion, regulatory frameworks, and ethical considerations shape the pace and direction of technological change. There is ongoing debate about issues such as data privacy, algorithmic bias, and the accountability of AI systems, all of which require human governance and oversight. Furthermore, history shows that technological revolutions, from the Industrial Revolution to the rise of computers and the Internet, have always disrupted labor markets but ultimately led to new forms of work rather than the complete replacement of humans. AI is likely to follow a similar pattern, where certain jobs disappear, others evolve, and entirely new roles emerge. The key challenge will be ensuring that the transition is managed in a way that benefits as many people as possible, rather than widening existing inequalities. Education systems in the United States will play a crucial role in preparing future generations for an AI-driven world by emphasizing skills such as critical thinking, creativity, collaboration, and adaptability, which are less likely to be automated. Businesses will also need to adopt responsible AI practices, focusing not only on efficiency and profit but also on the well-being of their workforce. Ultimately, AI is a tool created by humans, and its impact depends on how it is designed, implemented, and regulated. Rather than completely replacing humans, AI is more likely to change the nature of work and redefine what it means to be productive in a modern economy. Humans bring qualities that machines cannot replicate, such as empathy, moral reasoning, and the ability to navigate complex social dynamics, which ensures that people will continue to play a central role in society. In the United States, the future will likely involve a hybrid workforce where humans and AI collaborate, each contributing their strengths to achieve better outcomes. While some level of job displacement is inevitable, the idea that AI will entirely replace humans is unlikely, as technology tends to augment human capabilities rather than eliminate the need for them altogether. The real question is not whether AI will replace humans, but how humans will adapt to and shape the technology to create a future that is both innovative and inclusive.